Hi, I'm Andy Watkins. I'm a real estate agent with Keller Williams in Marina Del Rey. And today we're in the great area of the Weisburn School District. We're in Del Air. We're going to talk about how to take a home, improve its value really easily, and walk through some home improvement ideas you might want to think about for your own house. All right, great. So first we're going to talk about, look at this big ass yard. So we've got an 8,000 square foot lot. It's completely underutilized. So what we're going to do is build a fence. We're either going to do a sideways wood fence or we're going to do a combination of cinder block and wood. We're going to get this fence as high as possible, put hedges both in front and behind it. The family that lives here is going to be able to use this grass area, not worry about their kids running out in the street or anything crazy. Fence, number one idea to improve a good home. Second thing we're going to do, if you look at this circle driveway, I mean, these are terrible, right? So we're going to demo out this circle driveway. It's got a tree stump that needs to come out. This is all going to be grass and hardscaped landscape. So when you walk up to the home, it's going to completely change the facade and the look of the home. Third thing is, if you see the old bricks, we're going to basically smooth coat stucco that. So you're going to lose all the brick facade in the 1950s and 60s. It's going to look very modern. And it's going to be a great feature, pretty easy way to add some value to a home. So this is really where we can add a lot of value. We're going to have a fence here, and when you open up the fence, we want to have pavers in the grass that you can walk from the sidewalk to the home. We're also going to keep the driveway over to the right, so you obviously have a place to park the car, and you're going to have pavers coming from the driveway up to the steps of the house, and that way it'll completely change the facade of this home, make it look from 1970s to a really modern design. So great, so those are some easy outside stuff we're going to do. Let's go inside, take a look, and show you exactly the value add and the easy solutions that we're going to do with the home inside. So come on in. So one of the easiest things we're going to do first is we're going to paint these walls, get rid of this nasty ass yellow. We're going straight white, polar bear white, icebox white. It's an easy way. It's going to improve the feel of the room. They're going to make it look a lot larger. All right. Second thing we're going to do is these recessed lights were here already. That's great. We're going to put these in the kitchen. Get rid of these nasty ass things. All right, we're going to put recessed lights throughout the kitchen, and that'll be an easy value add for, very economical to improve it. Third thing we're going to do in the kitchen is we're going to get rid of this nasty old mahogany color. We're going to paint this gray. And so we're going to go with a dark kind of dolphin gray, basically, for lack of a better color choice. And then another easy solution, if you want to see, we're going to take these circle knobs and replace them with vertical, straight fixtures. Another easy way to improve the look, really modernize it. We're keeping the countertops. Eventually we'll change those out to something more modern, but at this stage, it's just an economic choice. We're going to keep these here and just paint the cabinets. Really improve the feel of the kitchen. So what we've already done, we've had this property for 2 days now. We immediately put in a sliding glass or sliding door. There used to be a window here, really enclosed the kitchen, made it really claustrophobic. We did that. We also took out cabinets. There were some cabinets here that matched the dark mahogany. Pretty useless. So we're gonna use that for an art space. Maybe the family can hang their kids' photos, something cool over there. Now this area, we've got a wall up here that goes to the 3-car garage. We've got a bathroom here. We're gonna take this wall down, right? Easy solution, take the wall down. You'll still be able to access the bathroom. It'll basically open up the kitchen even more. So a lot of the stuff we're doing is taking out, right? And keeping what we have existing. We're not blowing out the budget. We're doing something very cost effective that's really gonna add good value. All right, so let's go talk about the garage and what we can do in here. So what's cool about this is, look, we've got a 3-car garage. And when was the last time you saw a 3-car garage in Los Angeles? So what we're gonna do here is basically we're gonna drywall the inside of the garage. We call it a poor man's ADU. And then we're basically gonna throw down that weightlifting or the workout room material, the kind of spongy flooring. And that way we're gonna have a nice, safe, kid-friendly area that we can either use as a workout room, they can use as a kid's play area, and have a lot of, really utilize the garage space. We've got another area over here that is a 1-car garage. If they wanted to in the future, we could add a legal ADU here with a bedroom and a bathroom. This used to be a surfboard shaping facility or kind of corner. We're going to demo that out, clean that up so that this space is fully utilized. All right, so let's go look at the backyard. Let's see some value add we can add back here. I mean, look, you have a lot of concrete, right? It's great if you have a motorhome or a boat, but you know, we're gonna basically put a basketball court here. We're gonna end up doing a Clipper logo for the kid that's gonna be living here on the ground with a basketball hoop. This dirt area, the previous owners had dogs, full of dog crap and very nasty. So we're gonna put grass in here. And in the corner, we're gonna do a built-in bench seating with a fire pit right in the middle. So you can basically come and sit out here, sit in the corner, grass area here, and then still have your kid play basketball and use this area the best that they can. Last, let's go take a look at the corner here. So on this side, we've got a deck that's being built. It's a real shotgun side. And so, you know, it was so un-user friendly. You walk out, a lot of cinder block and a lot of space. And so what we're gonna do is basically build a huge deck here, use that for sitting space and livable space. And then we'll have we'll put bamboo along the fence here. You can get that at Home Depot pretty easily. We'll build a privacy fence up about 2 or 3 feet, so you won't even be able to see the neighbor's home. And this will be a whole completely transformed area. We should have a TV up here, so when you sit at the bench seating or even your grass or jacuzzi, you'll be able to watch TV, have dinner out here. A really, really nice property in less than 45 or 60 days. So yeah, so the most important thing about this house is you got a huge lot. It's almost an 8,000 square foot lot. We have a 3-car garage. We've got 3 or 4 bedrooms inside. I mean, it's just a great home, but it needs some love and care. One of the most important things, as I mentioned, we're gonna demo out this driveway. So next time you see it, this is all gonna be grass, hardscape. It's gonna completely transform the look of this home. Do it pretty economically, and it's gonna be a great project. So if you like what you see, if you maybe want some ideas about what you can do with your house, like or subscribe below. Look forward to seeing you soon.